Today we're making the worst rated cherry pie from the Food Network. Even after making some of the worst recipes on the internet, we were not prepared for this one.
Know why?
Why?
Cherry pie. Now I want to make it very clear that I do not stand behind the food crime I'm about to commit. This is a pie crust. Oil. Not butter, oil.
That's not a pie crust.
It's gonna be.
This is the pie crime of the century.
It was high time for a pie crime. One review says the crust was so oily that I could not continue to make this pie. So, we're gonna try though.
It's a pie try.
It's a pie try. That's that, I guess. You don't refrigerate this, which is unconventional. We're just gonna roll it out like that.
Would you like me to hold that in place for you?
You might have to.
And for the assist.
Yay! I require assistance. Some defrosted cherries. Sugar. It's a lot of sugar.
There's a lot of sugar.
Flour. Now we just cook it. Not gonna lie, this actually looks pretty good. It might be a little too sweet, but we'll see. That is an oily looking pie crust. It says it should just come off nicely. It's not really what I'm experiencing. This is like trying to peel those tags off of things you buy in a store. You know when you buy a new plate or a nice mug and there's a freaking sticker right on it and you can't get it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. Oh God. I don't think this is gonna work out how they said it was going to. I'm gonna try again. We're gonna start over. Okay, it doesn't say to do this, but I don't have a choice. That's not gonna work otherwise. All right, let's try again. Slightly better, but still not great. This is such a struggle. Nope. It's just falling apart. Easy. Wow, okay. You know what?
Looks like a bomb went off in here.
Oh, okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. I'm not crying, you're crying. Just kind of patchwork quilt this back into a pie shape. Sure, why not? So next, I'm just gonna brush this beautiful pie crust with some egg wash, which is actually just a beaten egg, because that's what it says.
This recipe is really all over the place.
Yep, that's one nice way to put it.
I mean, it's literally all over the place.
Yeah. Okay, I swear to God, if that top is as bad as the bottom, this is an open face pie. I'm sorry, cherries, you deserve better. It says to dot some butter on.
We should have made it a sad face.
I should have.
It wasn't oily enough.
Be quiet, it's beautiful.
Yes! You gotta make the edges look pretty.
Yes. Pretty. It's so greasy, it's sticking to my fingers while I'm trying to do this.
You can like see the shine of it.
Okay, finally, oven. So I have to admit, it looks better than I thought it was gonna look.
Yeah, it doesn't look half bad.
No, it's not perfect. It definitely cracked and you can see that it wasn't super nice crust. However, pretty good.
Don't worry, all you need is love and pie. The filling is very sweet. It's not terrible, but it's pretty one-dimensional. I feel like I need to try the pie crust on its own.
Alright.
Nope.
What notes are you getting?
It's just like greasy flour. I don't know.
I mean, that's pretty much all it is.
Probably like the worst pie crust I've ever had. Yeah, overall I'd say not really worth the effort and pretty mediocre.
Yeah.